Have you ever been in a situation and need a dessert idea that's minimum effort and maximum results? I think we've all been there and done that, and I have got one of my favorites to share with you today. Today, I'm making Symphony Brownies. It's almost crazy how quick and simple they are to put together, but I'm going to show you in just a few minutes today. Hi, my name's Laura, and I hope you'll make yourself at home while I make some Symphony Brownies. So this recipe starts with your favorite brownie mix, whatever that is. Mine happens to be this Hershey's triple chocolate because I get it at Sam's Club in bulk, and so I like to keep it on hand in my cabinet. Whatever simple box mix you like, that's what you use. And we're going to use everything that the box mix recommends. We're going to go with the eggs, the water, and the oil, just per the recommendation. So I'm actually going to begin and get my oven heating up at 325, just like it says. Okay, here comes the hardest part. We're going to put together the brownie mix. So I have 1 pouch of brownie mix. I'm going to make a 9 by 9. Now, if you want to make a 9 by 13, just double this. Just use 2 boxes or 2 pouches of brownie mix. But I'm going to make a 9 by 9 today. I need a 1/2 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 eggs. Gonna crack them individually, just so I don't get myself in trouble with any shells. Okay. Now let's give it a mix. So I came onto this recipe probably 15 to 20 years ago. I don't remember exactly when, but I had a customer. I used to clean houses for several years, and I had a customer who had made these and had some one day and offered me one, and I took a bite and I was just in heaven. I didn't know what was in the middle of these, and I was so intrigued and asked, and she was almost embarrassed to tell me how easy they were, but I'm so glad she shared it because it has been a staple in our house ever since. Now, I'll confess I haven't made them in a few years, but this is a good one to have in your arsenal. If you need a dessert for dinner one evening or to take somewhere, and you're going to have a busy day, mix this up in the morning and bake it, and you're going to be golden. Okay, all mixed up. So I'm going to show you how we put this together. I'm going to take my 9 by 9 pan, and I'm going to give it a spray. Then what we want to do is we want to pour about half of the batter. You just kind of have to guesstimate. So I'm going to eyeball that. I think that's enough. So we're going to spread this out nice and evenly. And then we're going to open up our Symphony bars, our Hershey Symphony bars. And by the way, you could do this with any number of candy bars or things like that. These just happen to be Symphony Brownies, so we use Symphony bars. So I like to get the almonds and toffee. That's my favorite. They make another variety. I think it's just milk chocolate. So I like getting the toffee and the almond in this, and it gives you a nice surprise when you bite into your brownie. And we're just going to layer it right there and do the same with the second package. If you do a 9 by 13, you're going to need a 3rd Symphony bar, and there will be just a little bit of space in between them, but that's okay. If you do it here in the 9 by 9, they're going to actually be a little bit closer together. And that's that. And then we're going to top this with the rest of the brownie mix. You know, I don't know, but I feel like this is one of those recipes that may have been ahead of its time and would have gone viral if it had been in more recent years. Maybe it did go viral and I just didn't know. That's always a possibility. But it's one of these that's so easy, but is so incredible that It just captivates everybody who takes a bite. Okay, I got it in there. Now we just want to gently smooth it out to cover that candy bar layer. Now, these do need a bit of time to cool off and actually set up, because when they first come out, the candy bars are soft. Obviously, they're melted at that point. And if they have several hours to sit and set up, the candy bar will actually firm back up. And that is the perfect bite of a Symphony Brownie. So you really actually want that time for them to set up. That's why I say if you can make this in the morning and have it for dessert that evening, that's perfect. Okay, we're all ready. You hear my oven? It just now got ready. I actually had these finished before the oven got ready and heated up. Let's pop them in the oven and get them baking. Now, here's where you have to know your oven. And if you've made brownies before, you should know this. But I'm going to look at my mix. For a 9x9 glass pan, I need 39 to 42 minutes. I have to trust my oven because that chocolate bar is going to be melted. You can't do the toothpick test on this one, unfortunately. But I know my oven bakes right at about that time, so I'm going to set my oven timer for 39 minutes and come back and get them out. Okay, now we just wait. So I'm curious, do you have any recipes that you guys like when you need something quick and easy, but something maybe a little bit more special? So I'll be honest, I love just a great brownie mix. However, you add these candy bars in the middle, wow, it's just phenomenal what they do. Do you have any recipes that are a go-to in your house that fit this same description? Minimal effort, maximum results? I would put this in the semi-homemade category, and quite frankly, it's nice to have those recipes on hand. So I'd love to hear from you. I'm always looking for some new great ideas. Feel free to share them with me. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments. It has been 41 minutes and my brownies are ready. They look beautiful and perfect. Right now it just looks like a pan of brownies, which itself is delicious, but we're gonna let it sit for a few hours and we'll cut into it. Okay, it's been several hours and I can't wait any longer. I am ready to cut in. Let's see here. Okay, there you go. There's a good shot right there. See that beautiful candy bar? Okay, here goes. Mmm. 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 That is incredible. Mmm. Just that little contrast. I mean, and it's still chocolate, but you've got this milk chocolate, that little crunch of almond and toffee. It's just so good. Wow, what that does to a brownie, it takes it over the top. I do hope you'll try these. You saw how quick and easy they are to make. If you love brownies, you're going to love these. I hope you have a new recipe to try now. Like this video and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for being with me today, and I hope you're having a good day.